What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, I'm going to be filming my Q&A today, right after SmackDown and AEW Rampage. And this edition is the Forbidden Door predictions. But first, I have one question from my buddy Michael. What are your latest pickups? And guys, I got this shirt today from Pro Wrestling Tees. Got the Hardy shirt. Blood over everything. Dude, I love this shirt. You have Matt Hardy and Jeff Hardy, like, split down the middle. And I didn't know if they were still going to have this after what Jeff Hardy did. But they did. So I grabbed it and I enjoy it. So let's get into these predictions. We have 10 matches on the card, and we're going bottom to up. So here we go. Zack Sabre Jr. versus Bryan Danielson's replacement. Please put it down in the comments. Who do you think the replacement will be? I'm thinking Cesaro, Johnny Gargano, and just like a bunch of other people. But my top two are Cesaro or Johnny Gargano. The next match is the Bullet Club, El Tasmo, Harico, I don't know how to say these names, and the Young Bucks versus Dude with Attitude, Darby Allin, Sting, and the Ungovernables of Japan, Hiro Tanaka. Oh wait, Tamahashi. I'm so sorry. Then TAKAGI. I'm going with Dudes with Attitude. Darby Allin, Sting, and the Ungovernables of Japan. Thunder Rosa versus Toni Storm for the AEW World Championship. I'm going with Toni Storm on this one. Yes, I know she's like new on the scene, but I really think that she could actually pull this off. So then we go into the three-way winner-take-all for the ROH World Tag Team Championships and the IWGP Tag Team Championships. FTR versus United Empire, Great-O-Khan and Jeff Cobbs versus Trent Beretta and Rocky Romo. R-O-M-E-R-O. I'm going with FTR to win. And it's a winner take all, so their championships are like on the line here. So yeah, I'm going with FTR. The next match is for the IWGP United States Heavyweight Championship. Will Ospreay versus Orange Cassidy. I hate Orange Cassidy in AEW. He is like, I don't know how bad a person can get. He had a orange juice match with Chris Jericho, or orange mimosa match. I'm sorry, not orange juice, mimosa match. Same damn thing, right? Yeah. So I'm going Will Ospreay to retain. And then we're going the Sex Gods. Yes, that's what they're called. Chris Jericho and Sammy Guevara. And Minoru Suzuki. Maro Suzuki? I'm not sure. I know none of these names, guys. I'm so sorry. With Tay Conti versus Eddie Kingston, Wheeler Yuta, and Shota Umino. The Sex Gods will probably win this in a 6-man tag team match. And then we're going to the top of like the card that's most probably the most high paced, the most known for I think 3 of the best matches on the card. Besides the Do With Attitude match with the 8-man tag team, we have Pac, Miro, Malachi Black, and Clark Connors. Who are you? Who are you? New Japan Pro Wrestling. Okay. I don't watch that. So we go back down here. Fatal 4-Way for the inaugural AEW All-Atlantic Championship. I'm going with either Pac or Pac. I'm not sure how you say his name. Pac or Malachi Black. Miro does not need to win this. He does not need another championship. He should already be AEW champion, in my opinion, but whatever. So, I'm going for Malachi Black to win this. So, I really can't say new champion, but yeah, you know what I mean. And then we go to the next match. Jay White. He is the IWGP World Heavyweight Champion versus Okada versus Hangman Adam Page versus Adam Cole. Baby! Fatal 4-Way for the IWGP World Heavyweight Championship, as I just said again. This is kind of a hard pick because all of them are very good. But if I had to go for one, I think I would have to go for Adam Cole or Okada to win. And guys, I will not be watching this pay-per-view live. Hopefully, cross your fingers and cross your toes that this will be on DVD on the AEW shop. I hope to God, because then I will buy it from there. I cannot wait for Double or Nothing to be released because I want to see the match against well, first off, the Hardy Boys versus the Young Bucks, and Hangman Adam Page versus CM Punk. So Okada or Hangman Adam Page to win this, and Jay White will not retain. And then we get to the main event of the evening: Jon Moxley versus Kazuchika Tanahashi. Singles match for the interim AEW World Title. Jon Moxley for the win. He never got his AEW World Championship rematch, I don't think. And like, as you saw like on AEW for the past couple of weeks, this is a 12-year, I think, like feud that they never had. like John Moxley says Tanahashi was here. Sorry guys. Here, let me see if I'm saying that name right. Holy crap. I cannot talk. What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from World Time Moxley. It's a Forbidden today from AEW World Title at Forbidden Door. So Tanahashi versus Tanahashi versus John Moxley for the interim AEW World Title. John Moxley said he's been ducking him for the past probably like 10 or 12 years. Oh, that actually hurt. Damn. I could throw a mean punch. Jesus Christ. So he never got a rematch after Kenny Omega beat him because he went into like rehab, and which I'm very thankful for. John Moxley is one of my favorite wrestlers from WWE and AEW, of course. So I'm going for John Moxley to win this match and become the new AEW interim world champion. And then we get like CM Punk versus John Moxley for both titles, just like they're doing in WWE, which I hope that we get like two championships, which we are. So John Moxley for the win here, because I think the last time Punk and Moxley fought, I want to say 2013. I'm not sure in WWE. Yeah, but those are my predictions. And first of all, please put down in the comments, like I said, who is going to be the opponent for Zack Sabre Jr.? Bryan Danielson's replacement. We have a lot of names. We have maybe I'm not saying, maybe Bray Wyatt, Wyndham Rotunda, Johnny Gargano, Cesaro, and then just like a bunch of other people, because I can't name them all, that just left WWE after being released. So those are my picks for Forbidden Door. Please put down in the comments, what are your predictions for Forbidden Door? Please hit that red subscribe button right here. Please leave your comments in the comment section down below. This has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, and I can't wait for Forbidden Door. And I'm out. Peace.